Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a shop with me. So today I'm bringing you to Homegoods, which is where we are right now in this part of the video. We're going to go to Homegoods and Burlington, you guys. And spring, it's here, you guys, at least at stores. So Homegoods and Burlington started bringing out their spring decor. There's a lot of beautiful florals at Homegoods right now, you guys. You have to go now. Especially if you like fast florals, because like me, I kind of do. I don't get to find really nice fresh flowers here in New York, so I love buying fast flowers, and look how beautiful these are.
Just us. Said we would let things come between us. Let love will not be us, not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. But we let each other down, down.
So guys, I came across these pieces at Homegoods and they were so beautiful, and they remind me of the Michaels brand. Honestly, I'm regretting not picking any of these, but look how gorgeous they were, and they were at a good price too. So now I'm giving you a little walkthrough of Michael. They have all of their spring collection out. When I went this particular day that I started recording, it was early January, so not everything was out yet, but they were giving 40% off. I did went this past weekend and they only had 30% off, I'm sorry, in all of their spring decor, which is still good, but they're fully stocked right now. So if you need spring decor, if you need spring florals, head to Michael's right now before everything is gone, you guys. So as you guys can see, Michael's has a lot of farmhouse rustic kind of decor, and it's not my style, but they have really pretty stuff. And honestly, I think, you know, at 40%, 30% off, look at this bakery sign, those eat sign, those are really pretty stuff to decorate around in your home. Hey guys, so we are on our way right now to Homegoods for the first time, and I'm gonna bring you all along in this journey. It is about an hour away from where I'm at, so I hope the trip is worth it. So let's see what we find. So guys, like I said, it was my first time at Homegoods, and honestly guys, I was not impressed by my local. I mean, it wasn't even local because it's an hour away from me, but honestly, I like the fact that the store was really big. It was a really big place. However, I felt like it didn't have a lot of stuff. Like, I don't know if it was just me or the store just got, you know, out of the holidays and it didn't have a lot of inventory. But one of my favorite parts of the store was the lighting section. You guys, they have a ton of options when it comes to lighting. It was so big there, and I loved it. Another favorite of mine was the wall art section, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Believe it or not, I walked out of there with nothing. I wanted to get these lamps, the clear ones, but then I decided to wait on it because I don't know what I'm gonna go for when it comes to doing, like, you know, updates in the house. Yeah, but yeah, I love the lamp selection. They had a huge amount of beautiful lamps.
Trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't tryna go to the stone for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
You got a free pass, oh. Try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games, though? There's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn.
Guys, right now we're gonna go and take a little walk in Burlington to see what we find. And honestly, as you can see, the store is quite empty. This is how I like shopping, you guys. I like to come as soon as they open because I feel like the store is super organized and there's minimal people at the store. If you go shopping past 11 o'clock, you're gonna get a hot mess of people. Guys, I get super lucky at my local Burlington, and today was one of those days. They had a lot of furniture, they had a lot of wall art in stock, rocks for the area, everything you could imagine. What I like about this local Burlington is that if you come early and everything is super organized. Look at these beautiful stools, you guys. I just don't like the legs, but oh my god, I love the blush color, and they were so affordable, only at $24.99.
Just watch me break it.
For this video, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments if you spotted something that you like.